Are you a foreign entrepreneur that want to do business in the US? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial of Doola. Doola is specialized in helping entrepreneurs from all over the world that want to do business in the US. I'm going to show you how you open an LLC right now in just a few minutes and show you the full process and also how it looks in the dashboard and how you move forward from here. So if this is what you're looking for, this is the video for you. So with that being said, let's just get into it right here. So before we get into the tutorial, the prices, how all of this works, I just quickly want to talk about why I think Doola is interesting. If you're a foreign entrepreneur just like me, it can be really overwhelming opening a business outside your home country. There's so many questions, you don't know about filing, and that's the whole point of Doola, because there's also many other companies out there that helps with forming a LLC or C Corp. But what Doola have tried to specialize in is to just keep all of this in one place and make it really easy for you. Especially with some of the little more expensive plans they have, then you're fully covered with all the compliance and everything. And I think that's an amazing thing for someone who want to do business in the US but have no clue about how all of this works. That's the whole point of this, and that's why I think really Doola is such an interesting product and why I support it so much. So that's just my initial thoughts. I think let's just get into it here. I'm going to show you the website right now so that we can have a look at what Doola is all about. All right, so now we're here on the landing page, and you can also see here the first thing it says is do the business side of things better. LLC formation, bookkeeping, US banking, business taxes, and e-commerce analytics in one place. And then also you can see to illustrate how easy the whole process is. You form your LLC, and then it's just like a few steps, and then you have your business running and you start getting paid. It is not as easy as that, but that's kind of what they're trying to achieve. And I think in many ways, very true that it is a very user-friendly and easy system that Doola have. That's kind of like what you see here at first. And then also you can see they're backed by Y Combinator, HubSpot, Nexus, Hustle Fund. So it is a company that have investments, that is have a lot of users and have been very successful and is very successful. And here you see a little bit more about the product. So here it says the all-in-one financial platform for founders like you, form, manage, track, automate your business without any hassle. So here the first one you see is this business in a box. And we're going to come back to that, but this is like bigger solution, a little more expensive solution, but where you're fully covered and they're going to help you with almost all the things that is related to both forming your business, but also making sure you're compliant and all. So you can see here, form your business, easy bookkeeping, worry-free tax filings, using Doola dashboard, your smartest AI business partner, powerful business insights made simple. And then we can go here and you can see formation. It talked a little bit about the formation, the bookkeeping, taxes, analytics. So I think that's something that's important to talk about in this video, because again, one of the big challenges is that when you're a foreigner that want to do business in the US, you have no clue, and that's what they're really trying to help you with here. And then also there's some other things, build with e-commerce in mind, and then just etc., like different things. And then now we get here to the prices. So a bit, as I talked about before, there's different plans. So you can see here there's this starter plan, which is basically just the formation and plus also a bank account that is optional. So they work with Mercury Bank, which is a great bank that I've talked about in other videos. But then here you can see is $297 yearly plus the state fees. So depending on the state you choose, it will be around $400 to $500 to get started basically. And then you can see here as it's included, LLC file in 1 to 2 business days, EIN number, which you need because that's like kind of your tax number for your business and you need it in so many situations. And then guidance to own US bank account. So that's kind of just like affiliate to Mercury Bank, and then US business address, registered agent service, which is also important to have. That's kind of like you have a valid address that you can use in the US. And then there's more features I can just show you in a sec, but now it's just to give you the overview. And then you can see there is these two other solutions. So there's also this tax and compliance. So this one is everything to form your company and stay compliant so you never risk a penalty. So then you see here you pay $2,000 a year plus the state fees. And then it says everything that was in the starter plan. So this basic one, you get the EIN number faster. And then they help with the federal, IRS, the state tax filings, and some tax consulting. And then also bookkeeping, invoicing software, and more things that we're going to look at in a sec. And then here, there's also the business in a box. So this is like the full package. So it's $3,000 a year. And then you can see here your entire back office handled so you can focus on growing, not managing. So then again, what's included in business in a box, everything in tax and compliance, dedicated bookkeeper, monthly financial statements, bookkeeping and taxes, synced, estimated quarterly taxes. So here the add-on is more or less that you have like a bookkeeper and you have a little bit more analytics and a little more data and a little more updated. And then we can also go here and look at all the features if we want. So if you want to like study a little more exactly what is included in these prices, then we can just look here. So, you know, you can see there's like a lot of different things. But for example, here the taxes the annual state tax filings. The starter doesn't have that, but the tax and compliance and the business box have that. If we go a little further down, we can see here, for example, the difference between the tax and compliance versus business in a box, monthly, quarterly closings. That is not included in the tax and compliance. So you can have a look here at some of these things. What I would say is that when I opened my first US business a couple of years ago, I chose something similar to this starter package, the $1 to $297. And I guess back then it was just because I wanted to just get started, and then I was like, okay, we figure out the rest later, basically. But that was kind of a mistake because I see that there is, there's different things, you forget or you don't understand when you come as a foreigner. So I would actually emphasize on this tax and compliance solution. It is $2,000. It is a little high. But I would say it is a good way to, make sure you stay compliant and that you're not going to worry about anything with this and having your business, because you also don't want to run into problems and end up having to pay a lot of penalties because of being sloppy or not focusing on this. So it can actually be a really good investment to choose this plan. And that's probably what I would recommend you to do if you feel like you're probably not going to do these filings yourself. So then it's better to just pay for that already now and not come back and try to fix a lot of problems and all. Also, I talked with Doola and I managed to get a little bit of extra discount. So if you use my unique link in the description, then you'll get these plans even cheaper. So check that out. Also, you support the channel by using the link, so I would really appreciate it. So hopefully that can help you if you're planning to open a business in the US using Doola. All right, let's get into it now and try to open an LLC using Doola. So the first thing you do is to just choose one of these plans. So if we take, let's say, the tax and compliance plans, the one I recommend you to use. Okay, so then you choose your plan and then you get here to this onboarding page. So the first thing is your next big move starts now. All right, so let's just put in this information here. Let's do this, Christopher. Then we just say sign up with email. And then it's gonna ask which country do you reside in. So I'm just gonna take my home country here. So let's just take Denmark. And then we go to the next one, and then it asks form and start my new US business, run and grow my existing business. So we're gonna say form and start my new business, because you also have the option to take an existing business and then it can take over that business and like help with that. So then we go continue. And then it's gonna ask if you wanna choose a LLC or C Corp. So I made other videos where I talk about the difference between LLC and C Corp, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it in this video. So I should just explain super fast the difference. LLC is more like the traditional business. It's the limited liability company where, if you just are one person and you want to sell something online, or you want to open a restaurant or whatever, and you want like easy setup also for taxes and filings and everything, then this is the right solution. On the other hand, the C Corp is if you're a startup, you plan to raise money, to get investors, then the C Corp is the right choice for you. So it all depends on what you're doing today and what your plans are with your business, and based on that, you decide what's the right fit for you. I would say the majority of businesses is LLC. So if you are not planning to raise money, anything like that, you should probably just choose the LLC. And also here you can see there's some description of it. Less paperwork, like it's just the easiest setup, and where the other one you have the ability to issue stocks and things like that. So we're just gonna take the LLC in this example because that's what most people would choose. So we go ahead here, say LLC, and then you can put in the company name. So let's just say Christopher's new business. And then it's gonna ask what state you wanna choose. And I've also made other videos where I talk about this. But again, if I should give you the short answer, I would just choose Wyoming. And the reason for that is because it's less taxes, it's good on privacy, and it's just a very good setup for someone sitting outside the US that is running an LLC. So that's my recommendation. Don't choose California, New York, or anything like that. The only situations where you would choose, for example, California, is if you actually live also in California. But if you're sitting somewhere in Europe or Asia or Latin America, well, then you should just choose Wyoming. That is what I would recommend. So we just go here to the next solution we want to choose, and we're going to take the tax and compliance. So then when we get here, we have the full overview. Your dream business is ready, are you? And then you can see here, Christopher's new business, LLC, Wyoming. And we chose the tax and compliance package. So it's $1,999 a year, paid annually. And then there's the state fees. You see here that it's $100. And again, if you would have chosen another state, then the taxes would have been higher, but $100 is one of the lower ones. So that's why your total would be $2,101.40. And then you just say here, by checking the box, I confirm this is correct. And basically now you just put in your account information, and then your new LLC or C Corp is ready to be formed and start doing business in the US. So that's basically the process, super fast, just a few steps, and also you don't need to put in so much. Afterwards, they're gonna ask you more information, but just here in the beginning, it's just this fast process. All right, so now I'm in the dashboard, and in this dashboard is just gonna be some test information. So it's not gonna be real credentials because it's not really possible to share that in a video like this, but it should give you a good understanding of how all of this works. So now we're inside here in the dashboard, and then we can see here we have this your company formation is complete. So if you just paid for one of these plans, you would probably just have like the first one marked, or the account set up, and you start filling out information, and then slowly it's going to show more and more of these green ones before the company is done and completed the whole formation. So that's just kind of the overview here, that you can see this company is actually formed and it's ready to be used basically to do business. So, and then also here, there's like, you can see there's the EIN approval. So that's the important tax number you need for your business. And then also here, you can see there is, you can sign up for Mercury Bank and also Shopify. So they have different partners where you can get some discounts and benefits basically. And then we can go here to the company section. So then here you can see there's just the name, the address, and all these informations. And then you can see the responsible party. So then that's individual, and then all the members. So then here there is Elon Musk and John Doe. And then there's this thing here about compliance, so you can like stay up to date with different deadlines that is regarding the IRS and other filings. And then also there's this annual report where you would see these. So when you have an annual report, they'll be in there. And then if we go to my documents, then you'll see all the different documents there is. So when you open a US business, well, then you'll have different documents when like for the formation and different, like, for example, also for the EIN number and all of that. So those things will be here. The company documents, business compliance, bookkeeping, tax, business mail, registered agent, and then uncategorized. And then as I mentioned before, there's this compliance dates. So then that's important, so you can make sure you're compliant with things. And then there's also the tab here with taxes. So then you can see tax preparation in progress, want to calculate your quarterly taxes. So you can get like different information so you know how much you have to pay. And then there's also the bookkeeping here. So then you have like different things you upload and all that. So for the whole bookkeeping thing, I'm not going to go too much into detail with that, but basically that's how that looks. And then you can see here, there's what is invoiced. And then also there is reports. And then also there's here the financial statement, bookkeeping teams. You have your contact there. So again, there's just a ton of different tabs here so that you have all the things you need regarding both the compliance and the bookkeeping and all. And then also there's chart of accounts. So then you can look that as well. And then there's analytics. So you can check, just different data points with that, inventory, financials, ads, and then services. So then you can go ahead and buy and upgrade some different things if you want that. And then you can see like there's formation, bookkeeping, and like you can see also my services. So you can see what you already have active. And then also there is this refer and earn. So basically if you recommend other people, then you can also make some money from it. And then also this one is kind of important, this settings where you have some different integrations. So you can integrate different, for example, Shopify and Amazon into Doola. And then also there's this Ask AI Co-founder. So this is kind of a feature where you can ask some questions, and then it can like help you a little bit if you're looking for some information regarding your business or whatever other data that you are looking to get an answer for. So that kind of summarized the dashboard of Doola. So that is where your business is going to be, which is born and where it lives. That's where you have all your information. And again, if you would have chosen the starter plan, of course, you would not really have anything else than just the documents, the formation documents, but not any of the other services. So that's just the difference from choosing these more expensive plans where you have the full service set up. So I think this covers it for this video. I think Doola is the best solution out there for foreign entrepreneurs that want a good, stable setup that is just working and also at competitive prices, I would say. So this is really my recommendation to you. Again, I have links in the description with a unique link with discount codes so that you can get started even cheaper. So it doesn't have to cost a lot opening a business in the US. And if you're dreaming about starting your business and make some money in the US, Doola is a good place to go as your first step in that process. So if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I know there is a lot of questions in this process. I've had many problems also with opening a business in the US. So I know the struggle. I know that it can be a little to understand how this whole process is. So I'll be happy to help you if you've got any questions. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe. That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.